Hi, I'm testing biosafety cabinets in the health science building in room J662D. This is a 4-foot Baker B40 model. It is a type A1 cabinet. And then over here we have a B60 type A1 cabinet, biosafety cabinet. They both have the ventilated building exhaust canopies over them. These are before the manufacturers started making canopies to fit over the cabinets to be installed into the building exhaust. And back when this was installed about 30 or 35 years ago, this was sort of the standard setup. So there's 4 reasons that I can think of right now that are why is this cabinet obsolete. This cabinet is obsolete because the motor, positioning of the motor in the cabinet, this design makes these plenums, if there's a leak on this gasket, would make that leak blow into the room. So the plenums on a type A1 are positive to the room. On a type A2, they're under negative pressure, so if there was a leak that would develop, it would be sucked into the cabinet. And so the type A2 is the model that is the standard now. This model stopped being manufactured, this type of cabinet, the type A1 stopped being manufactured about 20 years ago. The parts for this, as you can see, if you listen, you can hear a rattling sound. This cabinet I just tested, it meets the airflow specification the manufacturer said it should. However, when the part fails, they're very, very hard to come by if he can get them at all. Dr. Ong inherited this lab from the previous researcher about 5 years ago, and the UW has gotten their money's worth out of this laboratory safety equipment. So the parts are hard to get. This design is no longer manufactured. NSF says the lifespan of a biosafety cabinet should be 15 years. It used to be 20. Like I said, this thing's 35 years old. That's 3 reasons. The 4th reason is something real simple. All the new cabinets have a sash that pulls all the way down to the work surface. It shuts off the blower, saves energy, and keeps particles, dust particles and stuff from filtering in on the work surface, which could contaminate their product. And as this model is, it's a flip sash that flips up and down. And the gas springs on this are completely worn out. And I can guarantee you that there's a gas spring right here. I wasn't sure if I got that, but I have to prop this open to get under the hood to test the filter. This glass is pretty heavy, so that's another thing I wanted to point out. In addition, that they don't make this design anymore. So you got parts, design, kind of the ergonomics of it, and the fact that NSF says, 20 years tops is the lifespan for a biosafety cabinet. This thing's 35 years old. Hopefully, this was helpful in explaining about obsolete biosafety cabinets, the type A1.